Hey, sixth graders, welcome to May 11th to 15th distance learning. Couple things, just want to review here. If you have a question, please click the link here to chat live with me every day at 1 o'clock to 1:30, or you can email me anytime. I'm available between 9 and 11 and between 1 and 3 p.m. every day. I'm also available for individual Google Meets. I know a lot of you have taken me up on that, so just let me know if you want to meet. I'll send you an individual link, and you can just, if you want to go through things individually, that's perfectly fine. I'm more than happy to do that. This week, first thing you're going to want to do is watch the video here, which most of you are already doing. So that's the first thing you're going to want to do. Monday and Tuesday of this week, we're going to go through the study guide. So if you click on the study guide right here, you'll click on that, open that up. That will bring you to this page right here. This page has 3 sections. The first is the 1.4 section, which contains a slideshow and some notes here. And there's several questions you're going to go through and complete. This is purely on your own. This is not graded, not to be submitted. 1.5 slideshow and 1.5 notes are here as well, followed by the 1.6 slideshow and 1.6 my notes. So you're going to want to have those complete notes. You'll be able to use those on the test on Friday, which I'll get to in a moment here. So this week, what we're preparing for is for the test on Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, go through the study guide. On Wednesday, you're going to go through and have a review day. So with that, you'll have some things that you're going to review on your own, the 1.4, 1.5, and 1.6 quick checks, followed by the Quizlet that you'll see here. This Quizlet contains basically the review for the vocab. So it's got 19 slides. You'll go through to be able to review the vocab on your own. Once you've gone through that and feel comfortable with that, I will set up a Kahoot review for your class. So I'll have, after the Kahoot review link that you'll see here, which I've got already linked, you'll see an invitation for every class. So I'll have probably a 30-minute window for every class period to go through, be able to do the Kahoot review if you wish to do so. And then Thursday will be a review on your own, and Friday will be the test to take beginning whenever you want after 9 a.m. on Friday. That's when the window will open up. All right. Have a great week, sixth graders. I miss you. See you soon. Bye-bye.